Did you know? Light also has moods too. As technology and trends evolve, lighting is no longer just about illumination. It's about emotion, atmosphere. Smile Lighting set up in Shenzhen during the year of 2013. Welcome to Smile Lighting, where we bring light to life. We continue to deeply understand light. Whether it's a cozy 3000K warm to a crisp 6500K color index, from RA80 to 98, offering users a truly unique experience.
We believe light is a mirror of emotions. That's why we specialized in custom ODM and OEM lighting solutions, designing each product to meet with the unique needs.
By understanding the emotional power of light, we empower our clients to stand out in competitive markets, provide them with customized LED lighting products. Our R&D team is always at the forefront of market trends, meeting customers' urgent needs for intelligent LED strip and improving the convenience and comfort of home life. Combined with the specific needs of customers, we put emotion into every lighting design, allowing users to truly feel the emotional experience brought by light. Your space shouldn't just look good, it should feel right. To ensure our products convey the emotions of light, we use double-layer PCB 30Z, 40Z, and gold wire LEDs, ensuring excellent heat dissipation, superior flexibility. We meticulously select high-efficiency LED chips from industry-leading brands and UL materials, ensuring the emotion of LED strip lasts for over 50,000 hours. Our products achieve an A+ energy efficiency, helping customers significantly reduce energy consumption and embrace a greener, more responsible way of living. In a fiercely competitive market, our deep understanding of light, cutting-edge R&D capabilities, and advanced manufacturing processes. We have passed Walmart FCCA ETL, supplier quality program, and so on. We have earned the long-term trust and support of numerous customers. With high-quality products and service, we have established long-term partnerships with Fortune 500 companies, further enhancing our brand influence.
We provide 24-hour after-sales service because keeping the mood bright isn't just a moment, it's a lifetime commitment.
We believe light is more than illumination. It's a language of emotions. Visit our website to explore the world of LED strip light.